Hi everybody, it's the Soap Man and it's time to make some soap. And today I'm planning on doing a fairly simple one. I'll be using my slab mold, and on the bottom half of the soap I'm going to be using green and white. So I will be using Brambleberry's Chrome Green Oxide for the green and titanium dioxide for the white. And I'm just going to do a drop swirl, and if I don't forget, do a hanger swirl. And then the top is going to be all white, and I may put a little bit of TD in it, but I want it fairly natural looking. So if I do, it's just going to be a splash, and probably texture the top and put some poppy seeds on top. So it's actually going to be a pretty simple one, kind of basic. I'm fragrancing this with Brambleberry's Bergamot Black Tea, longtime favorite. I've used it for years. It smells great, behaves great, and really sticks in your cold process. And I think that's about it for the introduction. So give me just a minute to get things mixed up, and I'll be right back. Okay, we're ready. So I want just a little more green than white. So I have these sectioned off the bottom soap. And generally, this oxide I like to pre-mix, but I'm not going to because I want a relatively thick trace, and I know this fragrance behaves well. That's probably enough. Let's put some white into the white soap. I think probably a teaspoon is enough. Let me stir that and see. Yeah. So let me stick blend this, because it does have to be stick blended to get it properly broken up. So just put that under the stick blender head, burp it a little bit, and turn it on and pull it up. And that finishes the emulsifying everything. It looks great, and I should have done the white first. Just realized that. Just clean the stick blender head off. I know to do lightest to darkest, but I didn't. So just get most of that green off the best I can. And then we'll mix our white up, get our fragrance in, get this in the mold. So put a little bit of fragrance in here. A little bit of fragrance into this beautiful green, and then that will be for the white. And I'm stick blending a little more than I normally do because once again the fragrance behaves, and I want this to set up some. Okay. I think maybe I should have done it in the pot swirl, because I'm soaping warmer than I usually do. And I stick blended more than I usually do. Okay, I am going to hanger tool this. I'm going to put it right here so I don't forget it. That needs to set up before I dare do that. So I'm going to let that set up just a minute before I do the hanger tool, and I'll bring this back when I'm ready to texture it. Alright, so even soaping warmer than usual and more stick blending than usual, this took quite a while to set up. So let's get some pretty significant divots into this, and it's still kind of soft. Alright, now, so this is the second half. This is our white, and I decided not to use any TD at all. I'm just leaving this natural. So I'll give it a good stick blend. So I don't know where, but at some point the camera cut off and we lost some footage. But several minutes later, I'm going to try to get some peaks on this. Definitely a testament to how well this fragrance behaves. And then just sprinkle some poppy seeds on top. I like poppy seeds in the soap. I like the way it looks. I do not like the way it feels, so I never put poppy seeds actually in the soap. So we're just going to sprinkle some just kind of on the peak, since we have a plain top. And that's really all I'm going to do with this. I'll give it some alcohol so we don't get soda ash. And I'll spray it again in 5 minutes and wrap it up and put it to bed. And that's what I have. I don't know what you're going to see because the camera cut off, but that's what we have, and I'll see you tomorrow for the cut. Thanks for watching, everybody. Okay, we're back to cut our soap, and I think I'm glad I left the top part just the natural color. Look at that. Oh, that chrome green oxide makes such a beautiful green. So let's see what we have inside. I think I'm going to be really pleased with this one. Yeah, oh yeah, really nice. Nice contrast. So let's get a few logs cut, or a few bars cut from these logs, and see what we have. I think I'll turn it on the side so I don't drag those poppy seeds down through it. Yeah, very nice. Simple, which is what I was wanting. Let's see what the other one looks like. I think it's going to look exactly the same. Alright, I'll finish those off camera because they're all going to look the same, but I am really happy with this. Very simple, but that's what I was wanting. That's exactly what I had planned. So, I thank you all for watching, and as always, stay safe, take good care of yourselves, and be blessed, and I will see you all next week for some more cold process soap. Bye, everybody.